If it has to work, if there is a genuine catalyst, it should act like this.
A follow-up. Thank you very much, EG. Follow-up question.
Are you married, not married? Accordingly, I'll answer your question.
I'm married. I'm married. I have kids.
Okay, so forget about kissing. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me.
No, so the wider stop is just to protect for first few days.
I'm not recommending wider stop or anything, right? Unless there is a genuine catalyst, and on 9 million, you're not putting a wider stop. You're putting a wider stop on a 9 million for the reason that the breakout itself was 54% here, right? So you'll need a wider stop because most of the 9 millions are going to be 20%. So the 10% stop is required because the breakout itself is high, right?
But it is to protect for first few days.
No, it's so that it's like NVDA is a damn good 9 million, right? Now, can I move my stop to break even? I will not move to break even, right? But if I allow this to come back to that 500 stops, right? What is the point? It's like the gateway has happened, right? And the stock has escaped after it has followed through. Now, if it comes back and gives up all the gains, so stops ideally, obviously for working people, it's a different story because I recommended it to be bought today morning. But personally, if I buy this stock here, right? Am I going to be keeping my stop the same now? No, it's not. It should not come back, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, I've got a follow-up comment on NVIDIA. Yesterday, I saw it being bought in the morning, and I got in, and I chased my stop up. I made a little profit, but I got stopped out. I re-entered later, but, I went from thinking it was going to be a choppy market to trying to get psyched to go for, NVIDIA being bought by institutions. And I did see it got over 1,000, high of day pretty early. But yesterday morning, when did you have the conviction that NVIDIA was being bought by institutions, or was it just the rapid rate of high of day that showed up early?
It showed up it was the first stock to show up here. It was the first stock
I saw that.
there, right?
And then it kept on going. The numbers just kept going.
Yeah.
So but I had to
also you could see that there was there was a buy program because you could see the worm going up. So that was the reason.
So the worm above.
Yeah, but
and the buying rate.
It became a consolidation breakout, right? And it became a
Yeah.
It's not the best of the setup. When I recommend for working people, I'm just recommending to them. Those are people, they are not traders, right? As a trader, the best entry on NVIDIA was on this day, not on this day, right? As a trader, the best entry
last
was
Thursday
on this day. That's the first day, right?
Yeah.
When I recommend for working people, I just recommend stocks which in my experience and opinion and conviction, I think will move up 15 to 20%, and it will take another couple of months, weeks for it to work, right? And as a trader, it's a different consideration. As a trader, this is the entry point, right? And this was the right entry point, and by third day it has made what it was supposed to, but it's a high price stock, so you give it more room, kind of a thing, like last time it did. But for working people, I just looked at it at as a consolidation breakout, right? And I recommended them. So if they're lucky and if they keep holding, it might end up doing things like what AMD did last time, right? Where it went and made 15, 20%, 16, 20%, right?
Yeah. I'm just, trying to go from having the essay that it's going to be choppy to seeing that buying on individual stocks in the morning, and then, making the decision to have the conviction not to just chase the stock. I mean, chase the stop up after it takes off. Just trying to figure out how to have that mindset in the morning.
So see, that's why it's very difficult to be either you have to be a day trader or a swing trader, right? If you're a day trader, was it a bad way to trade? No. But if you're a swing trader, then was it really a right entry? No. right? If you're a position trader, if you're a working person, just following my recommendation, then it's a different story, right? And but as a swing trader, I would say the right entry was on this day, right?
Yeah, last week.
Yeah,
Right.
because it is a liquid lava. By 9 million methodology also, it would have been like a liquid lava kind of a thing. But yeah, is it a perfect setup for working people? No, but yeah, it was a good enough setup. So I recommend it to working people so that they stop bugging me and I get less emails, right?
Well, did you get less or more after you posted it?
Yeah, once like that's the problem. Once I post it, like and it creates more emails, right? And it's a never ending story, but it's fun.
Yep.
It's fun.
Yeah,
Right?
it's fun. Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
All these people say that they want to be long term. Can you recommend to me a long term position? Yeah, I recommended to NVDA as a long term position. Then it goes up $5 and they get ants in pants. So are they long term investors or they are just like a short term day traders who want something?
NVIDIA is kind of tricky because it usually shows up a lot in the mornings on trade ideas.
Yeah, but then if you understand the video which I have put it on YouTube now, which is on our site, which is the finding right buy points, then there is no tricky thing, right? And if you know what to find as a buy point, the right buy point was here, right? As
Right. I was talking about the day where it shot up a whole bunch,
yeah.
lighting up trade idea.